Hi guys, this is Ninja Trader. I'm Ninja. Yeah. Okay, so I'm Forex YouTuber in Japan. Everyone likes me. And today, let me show you my chart analysis on Euro USD. Okay, let's go. And let me show you the weekly chart in Euro USD. And now is really important scene in Euro USD because for about 2 years, the main trend was downtrend. You know, this green descending channels show you the mainstream is a downtrend. Yeah, but recently, it may gonna change the trend. It may gonna change the trend. The downtrends to upper trend. You know. This is the upper trend, possibility of upper trend. Ne? And recently, the important triangle was breaked out. I mean here. This triangle was important triangle. This triangle. So always in the market, this trend line exists. Descending trend line exists and ascending trend line also exists. So triangle exists always. It gonna the candlesticks may reach the triangle always. And this triangle, the candle break out. But it doesn't mean the breaking out of triangle doesn't mean directly the trend has changed. Not yet. Okay. More important thing than the triangle is the resistance support. Always. Triangle is trend line. No, trend line resistance and support is more important than trend line. So which resistance support is important? Yeah, 112 is this one, and this line is the Fibonacci for the weekly chart, for the upper trend, for this upper trend. Yes. And this Fibonacci is really good for the showing this market, and I like it. I like Fibonacci and the channels. Yeah. So this resistance 112 weekly Fibonacci. This is strong. Significant. So here's the wicks. There is really power of shorter sell a lot, and if this high if so today is Saturday, so market is closed, and next Monday if the market make higher highs for the upper trend, higher highs, then this means the trend has changed. Definitely trend has changed. So this main downtrend showed by this green descending channels. It is end. Yes. Now Euro USD gonna be upper trend. So yeah, and this upper trend is supported by this trend line, and this trend line is monthly chart, trend line of monthly chart. So it's really strong and significant. So if next week Euro USD, if USD make higher highs, that means it's gonna be the new trend, upper trend. Yeah. So This 112 levels is really focused for a long time. In this scene, it was a support, and it break this levels, break and one touch. So checked the support change. They checked the change of support to resistance. I don't know how do you say in English, but so break one touch, break one touch. So check this change, support to resistance, and break one touch and lower lows. Okay. So it was downtrend, but here monthly trend line. This is really strong point, significant line. So upper trend may start from here, and it is challenging. Yeah. So next week is really important week for the Euro USD. Yeah. Okay. How is it, guys? If you feel anything, please press good button. Thumbs up, please. Okay. And now next, let me show you the daily chart. Okay, here's the daily chart, and in daily chart, this moving average. This is 200 SMA, and I use only 200 SMA for the moving average. Other moving average, I don't believe it. Yeah. The reason why I use 200 SMA is it is always focused. Extremely focused by the market maker. So, and this worked. 200 SMA worked for the support, and here's another break one touch has been seen. This green descending channels, it was the controlling the market by the down, and it meant the downtrend was the mainstream. But now it break out, and one touch. Check. It's now checking. It's now checking. The resistance has whether the resistance has changed to support. It's now checking. So I say it again. The higher highs. It gonna means the trend has changed. Yeah. This is what I want to say. So whether the Euro USD trend has changed or not, you have to see this higher highs. If the market, whether market will make higher highs or not. Yeah. And well, the possibility is, I'm not sure, but about 60% for continuing downtrend, and or 40% for the trend change going up. It is my opinion. And let me show you the 4 hours chart for explaining my opinions. Okay. And this 4-hour chart, so break the green trend line, important line, and one touch, and this big candlestick. This is really big meaning, yeah. But the next candlesticks, retracement for the big. It made a retracement for this this upper movement. So it's now maybe retracing for the next jump, or it may mean downtrend continuing. So, and why I said the 60% for the downtrend continuing, I have to show you the 1 hour chart, and here it's making the reverse head and shoulder, you know, reverse head and shoulder. And this reverse head and shoulder is not perfect. Perfect reverse head and shoulder means it can be like this. Higher highs is important because it means the significant uptrend. So it's gonna be really good. This one is good reverse head and shoulder, but it's not, because it doesn't it didn't make higher highs, and this lower lows. Well, also I know this is the lowest lows, but this one and this one comparable. Compare this one and the left lows and right low is really important, and it is lower. So the right low is lower than the left one. Okay, this means the shorter is more stronger than longer. So 1 hour chart shows us it is shorter is now more good. Good. I don't know how to say it in English. Okay. Well, so now in this scene, my opinion is 60% continuing downtrend, and 40% change trend and going upper trend. Okay. Yeah, let's look forward for next week's movement. If it's gonna make higher highs, yeah, it definitely means Euro USD trend has changed. Okay. Okay, then my first video is for and for this timing. Okay. Please subscribe if you feel good. Okay, and thumbs up please. Okay then, bye for now. See you in next videos. Bye. Ning ning.